As a beginner trying to learn data analytics or any tech skills, focus is everything. Without it, your productivity and learning will suffer. So today, I'm going to share 3 simple ways that has helped me to stay focused and get more done. When I started learning data analytics, I struggled a lot with focus. How do you sit down and watch a 2 hours long tutorial video when it's not your favorite show or a football match? I also thought I had to work non-stop throughout the day to actually be productive. But later on in the journey, I learned about balancing deep work and shallow work. Deep work is when you are fully focused on a particular task for a specific period of time, and sometimes it's often referred to as being in a flow state. While shallow work can be doing a simple administrative task like replying emails, reading a blog, just something that doesn't require much of your cognitive abilities. So here are 3 simple ways that actually helped me to get better at focus and being able to do deep work. Number 1 is eliminating distraction. First, you need to get rid of any distraction. The biggest one is technology, aka your phone. So I learned to put my phone away when I want to do deep work, and sometimes it might just be as simple as turning it just like this. If it's impossible to put your phone away, you can put it on do not disturb or silence it to avoid getting multiple notifications. The next thing that has worked like magic for me is keeping track of my focus time. Whenever I want to start working or have a deep work session, which usually for me is early hours of the day, I set a timer that helps me track how long I've stayed focused. And it's important to know that the moment you get distracted or you do something else, you pause the timer or you check exactly how long it has been so you don't lose track of it. So what this helps me to do is make me get an understanding of how much time I'm spending focused. And for everyone that's practiced this, and even for me, you come to a shocking realization that you don't even spend as much time focusing on a task. So the first time I did it, you probably see 15 minutes before you get distracted. And that's to show that the attention span of people in the world right now is gradually dropping. But the good thing about it is tracking it actually helps me to improve and train my mind to be able to focus for longer period. Remember, what gets measured gets improved. Last one for me is using Pomodoro Technique. And I started using Pomodoro Technique, I think that's a few years back. But now I make use of a 45 minutes Pomodoro timer, which is different from the general 20 minutes rule, because I feel I can stay focused for even longer period. And so how to make use of Pomodoro Technique is very simple. You have a countdown timer. It could be 20 minutes for you. You could start, with 15 minutes. Just make sure you are gradually improving on that time. For me, I make use of 45 minutes, and then after the 45 minutes elapse, I take regular breaks of 10 minutes, and I do that again. So this also contributes to what I put in my focus log, and it just helps me to get a sense of how much of deep work I've been able to do in a day. The technique also make doing deep work easy and less overwhelming, because you get 10 minutes break after every 25 minutes or 45 minutes, whatever time you choose for yourself. So generally, time management and being able to do deep work is an habit that you train yourself and get better at it over time. So let me know which technique you've been using or would like to use in the comment section, and I'll see you on the next video.